İsen misiniz dostlar? Today we're gonna speak Chinese with Chinese people. I'm just gonna prank them like I don't nothing about Chinese like what's up Beijing?
What's up, Beijing?
Maybe that's it.
No, Angel fucking players.
I know Kwa Bao Bao. I don't know what exactly that mean. Recently, I got to watch too much Chinese dramas. And now I'm gonna learn maybe some Chinese before I'm gonna prank Chinese people on Omegle by my knowledge.
Yes, science.
哎的。
您不反对？
Nifotante? Maybe Jimmy will understand me. Nifotante?
That
No. Nifotante?
oh, no ni fontaine. That's French for no nor fountain. Is there something?
Bonjour? Why he doesn't understand? Okay, more knowledge. Concentrate.
来人，
Lyra. Okay, security. I can call security on someone. Lyra.
Lyra is a beautiful name.
请找司法，第十问题，下次做我是正手足，请查处，请讲成。
今天看齐，墙上写着。
I understand you're looking for directions to a temple, a police station, and a square. To give you the...
Fuck. Oh my god.
I'm glad you find this amusing.
He's too serious. Okay. Now we're gonna learn by some real persons. Like, fuck that Chinese dramas, fuck AI. Quote this. Now learn by real people.
Fuck you! In Chinese,
Oh my god.
去你的，
Chi
去你的！
你的 fuck you. Chi你的
Shut the fuck up.
Don't slap
In
me.
Chinese. 丫的闭嘴！
丫的闭嘴！
丫的闭嘴！
丫的闭嘴！
丫的闭嘴！丫的闭嘴
Why we're so angry?
！In Chinese. 你个男，
He slapped some character.
你个男童！
Nine Gantong. If you don't put like Nine Gantong.
How to say you wanna come inside? In Chinese，见不见？
Ew. Gross. Ew. Astaghfirullah. Yada bizue.
宝宝，
Ah, no, I understand from where it is. Like, kwa bao bao. Be good for a baby. Kwa bao bao. I remember the story when I talked back then in Kazan. I talked to some Chinese person like, kwa bao bao. He didn't understand me. Ол мені бірден Қытай түгіл мені. Сен Қытай түгіл мені? Ни хао, чон чон.
你好，圈圈，这是一个很常见的名词，有很多不同的写法和含义。请问你是在指某一个特定的人，还是对这个名字？
Kwa bao bao. Kwa bao bao. Gua bai bao. Quai bao bao. Quai bao bao.
听起来你说的是快包包，这可能是一个昵称，意思大概是 quick baby 或者 fast darling。
It's actually right.
哈，圈圈，你是在说？
Oh my god. He's kinda scary.
If I hear you scream again, you're going into brisket. Tired. That is no reason.
Shut up, old man. What do you know? Ah!
Damn.
I'm gay in Chinese，
Okay, this one is
我是男同。
Woshi Nantong. This one is most neat. Okay, I need to write this down because my memory is no memory.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
My memory. It's like 1 gigabyte RAM, you know? Yuk. İğrendim hem yok. Let's view what gonna Chinese people say like. But I'm actually really scared of them, like just really scared because like what they will think about like.
逼崽子，你真没见过黑社会哈！操你妈的！
I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Let's try to do it. My country, I need.
月花飘飘，北风萧萧。
Taiwan? Is it China? Oh, no. I wrote down in my iPad words what I need to say to them. And you know, you remember this video like where a person talks fake Chinese like
From where you from?
China.
China. 手机门口是的，抱着吃不够吃的狗似的模式。
I didn't totally get your point.
OK， 口是小门口不等鸡不口似的。
Basically, I'm gonna do the same. Hello. We gonna now speak fake Chinese with Chinese people, but sometimes maybe I will say a word in Chinese like 你好. Ni hao. Bruch. Hello, Beijing.
Hello.
你好，请空，请求这一种，是 no reaction. Oh my god.
Hey, bro, can you speak English?
Of course I can speak English. What do you need? And he did skip. Bro.
我要这个认证，我讲想随便刚子打。
Can I do like this? Oh, you know Russian. Oh, my friend told me one Chinese word. Wo shi nan tong. Wo shi nan tong. He said it's my name.
你是蓝东？你是蓝东？
No, no, no.
蓝东？
No, he said Wo shi nan tong. He said something like Wo shi nan tong. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think he did think that I'm Chinese or something. Maybe my pronounce is too good.
No.
Kwai bao bao. Kwai bao bao.
I don't know. You speak wrong Chinese.
Oh my god. Sorry.
I can teach you some Chinese.
Okay, thank you. Let's go.
Do you know 我爱你?
No. What does it mean?
我爱你 means I love you.
Oh, why ni?
Yes, 我爱你 means I love you. Means reading books.
Wait. I wanna ask your opinion about these Chinese dramas where is everywhere. Hell.
Oh, I know.
They're really dumb, right? Like it's really dumb.
Yeah.
How do
it's really dumb.
How do people in Chinese tolerate this? Why they make it?
Because it can make money.
Because it's so stupid. It's so simple and everything same.
I know it's stupid, but many people like this. Like
after this, I started like just in my real life saying shit like like no racism, just in my mind with Chinese drums, and I start start imitating, you know. It's so funny.
I know some people will say ching chong.
金枪虫。
金钱看端详，上写着。
He think it's
racist.
Really? Racist? Yes, racist.
It's funny sometimes, but it depends in situation. Just plain racism, it's of course it's like 金枪虫。want to say like wo shi nan tong, like something like this. Just you know, like pranking.
Oh, 我是男同 it means I'm gay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
No,
nice to meet you.
Wo shi nan tong, no. Nige nan tong. Nige nan tong. Nisho nan tong.
Yes, it means you are gay.
Why are you gay?
I like how your straight face is saying this, like.
离家的孩子流浪在外边。
Friend told me one. Siggy, man.
You live in Taiwan?
No. What do you mean Taiwan? I live in Qatar. Where are you from? Do you know Chinese?
Yes, I'm Chinese.
So my friend told me like my name in Chinese is gonna be Wo Shi Nan Tong. Wo Shi Nan Tong. How are you? It's gonna be Ni Ge Nan Tong.
I'm gay. Chinese. 你个男的。
How are you is 你好吗?
Ni hao ma. Ah, okay.
Yes.
But what does mean Shei Ni De? He said it's okay. Shei Ni De, it's okay.
Hey, 你的? I don't know. It's okay.
You know these short dramas, like it's so bad. It's so bad.
Not grammar.
Like this.
Oh, I know.
It's very bad, bro. It's no ni hao.
Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan, of course I know. He's my
Yes.
father. Someday he said to me, Jin Bu Jin Lai. Jin Bu Jin Lai, he said to me. Jackie Chan.
进不进来?
Yeah.
Oh.
Jackie Chan told me.
You wanna come inside? In Chinese.
It was his last words, you know? And he died. I want a girl. That's it. I want girl. I want.
You've definitely seen these guys around on the internet, at your local comic book store, in your mom's attic. They smell bad, they're disgusting.
你好，地上进山，地势是上进是。
听不懂。
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是
I hope he did understand. It's just lazy at this point. Like, 你好, brother.
Hey, ni hao, brother. Can you speak English?
Of course I can speak English.
Chinese. I'm Chinese.
No, Chinese, no. My friend told me one time, my name is in Chinese gonna be Guao Bao Bao. Guao Bao Bao.
What is Guao Bao Bao? What is fucking that, bro?
I don't know. He also said like I'm okay. It's gonna be Wo Shi Nan Tong. Wo Shi Nan Tong.
That means you're fucking gay.
No, brother. This is
You're a monkey.
Bro, no,
Are
I
you
don't.
monkey?
I'm just.
Hey, yeah. I know. Maybe you're didn't monkey send you here to be funny. Yeah.
No, not because it's racist.
Hey, bro. Hey, so where are you?
I'm now I'm in the middle of the war, you know. There is Iran, there is Qatar.
If you're in China, I will kill you. Yeah.
Huh? What do you mean?
If you are in China, I will kill you.
Я де бізове. Fuck this Chinese man.
Oh shit!
Fuck.
Fucking that Chinese lady is up.
You made my day worse. I just wanted to make funny prank, wholesome funny prank.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa. It's short on tight cause I'm tweaking it, bitch, start letting shit go. And I heard that she wanted.
I'm imitating. I'm not even being racist. And basically I'm making fun of myself, but we're so... it's okay. If you did enjoy this video, please put like, subscribe, and please bränna sig slags. Sikres.